So what do you do when you've already got a fridge full of strawberries and your veggie box arrives and you find you've got another punnet? Well, let me show you one way I use my Instant Pot Duo Crisp to make sure I don't waste any of these amazing strawberries and I get an extra special treat for my breakfast too. So you know you're done when all of the moisture has come out of them and they come away from the dehydrator tray really easily, and they'll still have a little bit of give. So they've got a kind of rubbery, wine gummy kind of feeling to them. Let's take one off here. And there it is now, wafer thin and ready to be cooled down, and we'll just put those into a mason jar and they're all done. So problem solved. We've now dehydrated all of that fresh punnet of strawberries. They're looking absolutely amazing, and all we need to do now is get a lid on these, and then I'll put them in a cupboard, and for the next couple of days I'll just check on them and give them a shake. This is called conditioning. So I'll give them a little shake and I'll just be watching out to see if there's any condensation that forms, and if any condensation starts forming on the jar, I know I need to dehydrate them a little bit more before I put them into their final destination, which is going to be in our homemade muesli. So there's no need to panic if you've got excess strawberries or other berries or any other veg. Actually, if you've got an Instant Pot Duo Crisp, you can dehydrate too. And if you like this video, you might like to see where I use the dehydrator in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp to make my own homemade bouillon. So take a look at that video if you're interested in finding out more about using the crisp for dehydrating, and I'll see you over there.